thoughts on the team's performance?
Well, we're very, very happy and grateful na na-apply namin halos lahat ng training namin for the past 3 weeks, and we're really looking forward na mas mag-improve pa kami as a team after the 2 games.
We talked about vegan earlier at the dugout. Just tell us, how supportive has this crowd been throughout your stay here?
Well, as we can hear, the fans in vegan are very passionate. Talagang mahal na mahal nila ang Creamline ice creams and all the players from Creamline, all the PVL players. And again, madami tayong mga provinces na pupuntahan, and next stop would be Batangas.
Alright, and now, mga pagbati, any final messages from vegan, Alyssa?
Sa mga taga-vegan po, Agyamanan, vegan, maraming salamat po sa uulitin. And again, to my family in Batangas, hello, and to our management, most especially sina Sir Jonathan, Attorney Lily, Sir Alan, Ma'am Nisan, and Sir Rolly. Hello po, and yeah, that's it. Maraming salamat, vegan.
Alright, then thank you, Alyssa, and congratulations to your Player of the Game honors. We are